part of owning real estate. Last minute AC replacement, cleaning coil, replacing outside unit. South Florida feels like 120 with this humidity. Just finished sprinkling. That's for me. Alright, after all, I think it's working. Alright, the unit that I had here was a 2-ton, now it's a 3. So replaced the little, cable covers. It's an older unit, but couldn't find anything new, and this thing broke last night, so I need to put something right away. It's a rental anyway. These are the setbacks from owning real estate. Occasionally you get a little air conditioning that goes bad, or something, stove, refrigerator. That's part of the business. All right.